To put a stop loss in TradingView, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart of the asset you want to trade. Click on the Pine Editor tab and then select the Strategy Tester from the top menu. This will allow you to backtest and set up your trading strategy, including stop loss. A stop loss is an order that automatically closes a trade when it reaches a certain price level, limiting potential losses. To set a stop loss in TradingView, you need to define the stop loss level in your trading strategy using the Pine script language. For example, if you are going long on an asset, your stop loss would be below the current price. And if you are going short, it would be above the current price. The stop loss level is usually set based on your risk management strategy and market analysis. To set a stop loss in TradingView using Pine script, use the stop loss function in your strategy. For example, you can use the strategy entry function to enter a trade in the strategy exit function to set a stop loss. For instance, strategy entry long, long, when cross under close low. Strategy exit stop loss, long, stop low. This will enter a long trade when the close price crosses under the low price, and it will set a stop loss at the low price. You can adjust the stop loss level based on your risk management strategy and market analysis. When setting a stop loss, it is essential to consider the volatility of the asset and the potential risks. A stop loss that is too tight may result in the trade being closed prematurely, while a stop loss that is too wide may not provide adequate protection against losses. Best practices for setting stop loss include setting the stop loss level based on technical analysis, such as support and resistance levels, and adjusting the stop loss level as the trade progresses. It is also crucial to backtest your trading strategy, including the stop loss, to ensure that it is effective in limiting losses and maximizing gains. By following these steps and considering these best practices, you can effectively use stop loss in TradingView to manage your trades and minimize potential losses.